Sure. Here's a 600-word YouTube video script for Auto Garage about the 2023 Volvo Power Plus 90-ton truck series. Welcome back to Auto Garage, your go-to place for everything on next-gen automotive beasts. If you're into raw power, unmatched engineering, and the future of heavy-duty trucks, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the newly unveiled 2023 Volvo Power Plus 90-ton series, a true monster on wheels that's redefining the heavy transport game. This new generation of Volvo's heavy-duty lineup is more than just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution. Engineered for extreme hauling, the 2023 Volvo Power Plus 90-ton isn't just built tough, it's built smart. Volvo has taken decades of innovation and combined it with next-gen tech to create a machine that's not only capable of pulling massive loads but doing it efficiently, safely, and comfortably. Under the hood, the Volvo Power Plus 90-ton comes with a revamped 16-liter engine that churns out an earth-moving 780 horsepower and over 3,500 nanometers of torque. Whether it's mining, construction, or cross-country logistics, this truck handles the load with ease. And with its Volvo dynamic torque system, it smartly adapts engine output to terrain and weight, ensuring optimized fuel efficiency no matter the challenge. The exterior design has also seen a bold transformation. The cab looks futuristic and aggressive, with new LED matrix headlamps, a wider grille for improved airflow, and high-durability composite panels that offer better impact resistance. But it's not just about the look, every design element is functional, from heat management to aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the cabin is a full-blown command center. Drivers are greeted with a fully digital instrument cluster, an updated 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with integrated GPS, fleet connectivity, and Volvo's proprietary telematics for real-time performance analytics. There's a smart climate control system, adaptive ergonomic seating, 360-degree camera support, wireless phone charging, and even a sleeper pod equipped with LED ambient lighting and USB ports. Safety, as always, is a top priority for Volvo. The 2023 Power Plus 90-ton comes loaded with features like collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and the latest generation of the Volvo dynamic steering system. The enhanced adaptive cruise control now also includes downhill speed regulation and predictive braking to maintain safety even with full payloads. But let's talk tech. This truck series features intelligent payload sensors, automatic tire pressure monitoring, remote diagnostics, and Volvo's smart load distribution system that ensures better axle balance and tire longevity. The vehicle also supports over-the-air updates, which means performance improvements and system upgrades can be done without ever visiting a service center. Volvo has also stepped up in terms of eco-conscious performance. The engine now supports both standard diesel and VO, hydr